Today we're going to pull down this bare Drysuit Inflator made by SiTECH. The inflator mechanism is all gummed up. It doesn't release immediately when you remove your finger. The back of the inflator is the easiest to undo. Nearly all of the back section unscrews as one piece. If you can't undo the inflator assembly, you'll need a tool. Here I've taken a cup that fits over the inflator assembly and counterbored 2 holes. Align the 2 holes with the 2 tabs on the inflator assembly. This should give you enough purchase to break the seal. Alternatively, you could make some spanners. I've cut some rough circles in perspex and filed in reliefs for the tabs. So once you've loosened it, it's pretty easy to undo the inflator assembly from behind. Next we have to pry up the logo sticker. You'll need 2 Allen keys, 2.5mm for the front and a 3mm for the back. It'll take some force to crack the joint. These have been Loctite together. Remove the washer and screw and the spring. Now push the center assembly through from the opposite direction. As you can see on this component, there is a little bit of junk on it. Pinch the O-rings with your fingers. I'm just using a very small screwdriver to pry the O-rings off. Using warm water and a light soapy mix and somebody's toothbrush, give the parts a good clean. Dry it off well, and if you've got a compressor, give it a blast just to make sure you get all the water out. We might as well give the spring a bit of a clean while we're here. A bit of a spring clean. With a cotton bud, use the warm water to clean the inside of the housing. Lubricate and put the O-rings back on. One of these O-rings has too much damage. I'll order a full O-ring service kit for this unit and have it serviced at a later date. This will just keep me going in the meanwhile. So reassemble the components in the reverse order. With the component well lubed, place it back into the housing. Then insert the spring, the washer and the screw. I'm not Loctiting this in at this stage. I'll do that when I do the full service. Tighten up the screw firmly. And make sure the button springs back quickly. I put the bare logo back on the button and used a clamp overnight just to make sure the existing glue would retake. Then it's just a matter of putting the inflator back into the dry suit. Screw the back of the inflator on tightly by hand. Then if needed, use your tool just to nip it up. Don't forget to hook it up and test it. This one works really good now.